The defense set to begin their closing arguments in the Murdaugh trial this morning, and with lots of questions surrounding the case still unanswered, some have started asking about what Alex Murdaugh is allowed to do during the trial. One viewer called us and asked, why is he allowed to freely walk around and eat at the defense table while he's on trial for murder? Meghan Bragg is breaking down the facts for us in this Verify Fact Check.
We got this viewer call from Susan Hemstreet.
Never seen a trial here where the defendant is allowed to eat candy and snack while they're being tried for murder. I was just curious. That just boggles me.
To get this question answered, we went to attorney Gary Monty, partner at Monty PLLC, and Colleton County Court in South Carolina, where the trial is taking place. First, we looked at footage from the trial itself. In this video, you can see the defendant Alex Murdaugh chewing. And in this screenshot, you can see a bag of snacks in front of him.
So it's frequently the case that a judge will allow parties to bring in water, and then sometimes, but not always, will allow them to bring in things like snacks and that sort of thing.
Monty says this decision is up to the judge, who sets forth the courtroom etiquette.
It depends on the judge. At the beginning of a trial or any kind of extended hearing, it's often the case that the attorneys and your clients are not going to get frequent breaks.
In the trial footage, we also spotted the prosecution had water bottles, coffee, and cough drops on their table. And some of the courtroom staff also had drinks and coffee.
You would not want to sit at the counsel's table or even out in the audience and be eating if the judge had not given you permission to do so.
We also reached out to Colleton County Courts as well to see if, in fact, the judge granted this. We have not heard back from the county. On their website for the Murdaugh trial, it does state no cell phones, liquids, gels, lighters, matches, or any object that may activate metal detectors. So although not all judges will approve food and drinks in the courtroom during a trial, Monty says some can and do. With your Verify Fact Check, I'm Meghan Bragg.